Hello children, welcome back. Now I hope you have watched the video, and when you have already seen the video, you might have understood a lot about the separation technique using the method of sublimation. This thing you have already done in first chapter also. So let's start with the topic: how can we separate a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride? Listen to it carefully. We have learnt in chapter 1, this I told you, you have already done in chapter 1, that ammonium chloride changes directly from solid to gaseous state on heating. So, to separate such mixtures that contain a sublimable volatile component from a non-sublimable impurity like salt, here salt is the impurity, the sublimation process is used. So children, here the first question here you will write is define sublimation, and the answer is already given to you in the first chapter. You have to write the same answer here also. Second question that you have to write here is give some examples of sublimates. This question's answer is also with you in the first chapter. What is a sublimate? The things that sublime are called sublimates. Example: ammonium chloride, dry ice, iodine, naphthalene, anthracene, camphor, all are the examples of sublimates. So two questions already from this topic. Now children, let's begin the separation technique. As you have already seen the video, so it will be easy to understand now. Here also they have given you some examples of sublimates: ammonium chloride, camphor, naphthalene and anthracene. Now the whole setup you have seen, and the whole setup was same as was in the video you just saw. So children, what you have to do is you have to take the mixture of ammonium chloride and salt in a china dish, and you have to keep that china dish on the Bunsen burner, and you have to keep an inverted funnel, okay, inverted funnel on the china dish, and plug the mouth of the funnel with a cotton plug so that no vapors can escape from here. Now start heating the mixture. As you will heat the mixture, and because you know ammonium chloride is a sublimate, what will it do? It will directly convert from solid to gas. So when you heat it, all the ammonium chloride here in the mixture will can get converted from solid to gas or vapors, and those vapors will move up, and they will cling to the walls of the inverted funnel. They will come and stick to the walls of the inverted funnel here, okay, and when they will come and stick to the walls here, so they will get cooled up, and after cooling again they will change from gas to solid. Children, please try to understand. Let me tell you this in Hindi also, that when you heat, जब आप heat करोगे mixture को, ammonium chloride और salt के mixture को, तो ammonium chloride heat की वजह से convert हो जाएगा solid से gas, and gas you know is lighter, it will move up. तो जब ये गैस ऊपर की तरफ जाएगी और ये वॉल्स के साथ स्टिक होंगे वेपर्स, इन्वर्टेड फनल की वॉल्स के साथ जब ये स्टिक होंगे तो दे विल गेट कूल्ड, बिकॉज ग्लास जो है वो हीट ले लेगा, ये जो वॉल्स हैं वो वेपर्स से उनकी हीट ले लेंगे, तो वेपर्स कूल हो जाएंगे, और वेपर्स जैसे ही कूल होंगे दे विल गेट कन्वर्टेड फ्रॉम गैस टू सॉलिड अगेन, एंड दे विल स्टिक टू द walls here. Okay, and what is left behind here is only salt, because सारा का सारा अमोनियम क्लोराइड तो ऊपर चला गया, यहाँ पे आ गया, तो नीचे जो बचा that is salt, तो हो गई separation. Understood? This is how it is separated. I have also given you a video. We have seen that video. उसमें तो हमने तीन चीजों को separate किया था. In that video, we are separating ammonium chloride, salt, and sand also. So this is how the separation by sublimation can be done. So two questions I have told you. One was define sublimation. Other question was you have to write a few examples of sublimates. And the third question is how can we separate a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride? This is your third question. You will draw the diagram and you will write all the steps that were given in that video. All the steps, the written steps were coming in the bottom of the video. So you will write all the steps written on the bottom of the video from the previous video which I had sent you. So three questions from this topic, children. Okay, first question is define sublimation. You will write the definition from the first chapter. Second question, give some examples of sublimates. I have already told you, but here also they have given you some examples. Third question is this only, how can we separate a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride? So you have to draw the full diagram, labeled diagram, and you have to write all the steps which are given in the previous video. So I hope I am clear with what I want to say.